Not something that you could flex about, brag about, but I think 20x, how nice is that? Before you get to choose the flapper, we have to do a bit of sprinkle.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Ain't they brown? I mean, it is kind of true. It is true everywhere that, you know, the amount of work you put into it, that's what you get, 4x on CD, and that's nobody else's problem but yours if you don't take what you can get. But at the same time, it kind of feels a bit shady, if you know what I'm saying. We got a crazy time with the 4x. Yo! Oh boy! Okay. Okay. So, follow me then. Alright, this is happening. This is happening. Welcome back, guys, to our second crazy time. But this one's a special edition on 4x TOPSLOT. Ooh, spicy. So we got the multis, but you know we're not done. Times 4, of course. Boom, bada boom. Nico's favorite words. Alright. Decision time. Choose your color, guys. Green, blue, or yellow. If anything, auto pick, it will choose for you. Alright. We got 400x snap multi. Good luck. I got 40x for green, 80 for yellow. Team blue lands on a double. So we double everything that is on that wheel right there. 800x is on the line. Good luck. Okay, blue, I see. Double again. So we double everything that's been doubled, that's been 4 timed before. We got 1,600x on that wheel right there. Good luck.
This is the amount of money issued 54,558 euros.
That is 240x for the blue.
Spins out to the 10. So congratulations and happy bets placed, everyone. Very popular number, I see, so that a lot of you have been waiting for it. Crazy time now with a 3x TOPSLOT this time. Come on, crazy time, crazy time, crazy time. Woo! Crazy time with a 3x. Now this is what we're talking about. Amazing, everyone. This is crazy. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's multiply all the multipliers by 3 because of the TOPSLOT. Oh, is that a triple on the wheel? That is C. Does that mean the multipliers are huge? Yes, that's a triple. Awesome. So place your bets now on green, blue, or yellow flappers. Or you can use auto pick instead of run. Okay, you ready? Highest multiplier is 600.
This is the amount of money issued 40,871 euros.
That's what I'm talking about. So 300x for blue, 60 for green, and 45 for yellow. Congratulations. Top winners are 6, C, and Grammar 954. Beautiful. Place bets, everyone.
The one is here. Go, 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 Pachinko, we are waiting. Me too, I'm also waiting, but Pachinko's not one to show ahead. If you don't see your board, then there definitely might be your internet connection because no one else was complaining about it so far. It was like a lot of people who are writing the same, like when it definitely needs to be our side. Number 2, 7x here this time, let's go. No, 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 Pachinko, Pachinko, Pachinko. Yay, that's a Pachinko. Let's go, guys. Let's get Pachinko. We are back here, guys, to be Pachinko. Let's take it first. Woo! So what kind of multipliers we're gonna have this time here? Are you ready to find it out, guys? Because I really want to know that. 5x multiplier is here. Good. 7, 10x, 15, 20x, 25, 35, 50, 200! Woo! Let's go for 200! Are you ready, guys? Let's go. It's falling. It's falling. Olivia is also falling. Okay, I'm joking. Just joking, guys. Just go around. No, 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 no. Give me.
This is the amount of money issued 1,225,277 euros.
That was awesome. That was awesome.
One. My PR is, I think 95 kgs. One rep. 95. Flat bench. Not decline, not incline, just a basic bench. And my weight is 75 kgs. I think that's okay. You know, definitely not something that you could flex about, brag about, but I think that's all right. Crazy time 20x. Yo, TOPSLOT is going crazy today. And guys, hold up. Don't breathe. Get in there, baby. Yeah! Come on, baby. And now we're talking. Woo! Good luck. Hey! Clap. Bust the move. Strike it, hey! Okay, guys, we've entered with that 20x. How nice is that? Before you get to choose the flapper, we have to do a bit of sprinkle. Seasoning the wheel with a lovely 20x, my favorite spice. And what are we looking at, mama? Decision time. 3 flappers to choose from. Green, blue, or yellow. Or just go for auto pick if you're too lazy. Now the moment of truth. 2000x. Come on! Yay! Get it. Hey! Need some doubles. Please. Yes! That is a double on the left flapper, ladies and gentlemen. Green squad, you better be ready for 100%. By the way, blue gang and a yellow crew, that's 300 and 200 if I'm not mistaken. Now max multi is 4000x. Come on.
This is the amount of money issued to 1,216,550 euros.
All right, get in there. That's a 600x for the green team. Beautiful, 300.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.